So guys, watch this magic. Wow, a hole in my hand. I'm even seeing through my hand. I'm seeing a bottle. Jesus, I see a biscuit sachet. Oh my god.
Let's go there. Alright guys, so what you need is a carton and a scissors. You get my point? So you have to, not just a carton, a green carton. Please, a green carton, that's what you need. So you carve it, you can decide to make it any shape of your choice. So guys, before you continue, please like and share this video. Just like, comment, like this video, share it on your social media platforms. You get my point? So that YouTube can distribute this video also. So after that, you can place it on your palm. My daughter didn't even let me do it. Just gum it on your palm. So now you place a camera on your tripod, then you use portrait. Now record an empty background. Make sure that empty background you have things like the things you're going to use your hand to wave on, so one can see through your hand. You get my point? And then you can now walk in then, and then use your hand to wave on the background, like so. I used the bottle. So you see the bottle now. The green paper is inside my palm right now, so I used a biscuit sachet. You get my point? So you can now wave your hand anywhere. Just make it round. So guys, I believe you are enjoying the video already, so don't forget to like, don't forget to share. So when you are done with all these things, you can now save your video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Let's go. So now on Capcut, click on new project. Now import the video you just recorded to Capcut. You see, we recorded an empty background. So what we need to do from here is we have to split that empty background. So from here, what you do, you are going to tap on this layer, then click on split. Now go and look for overlay. See overlay, click on overlay. Now bring the video to the beginning. Just drag it to the beginning, something like this. I believe you get my point. Subscribe to this channel. You get my point. So now we are going to the tap on the empty background. Now go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? Go and look for freeze, bro. See freeze. Click on freeze, bro. So now just tap at the end of the freeze layer. Now drag it to make sure it gets to the end of the video. Please pay attention. Make sure it gets to the end of the video. This is how I want the video to end. So from here, I'm gonna just split somewhere here and delete the ending part of it. Please follow it step by step. This is a very simple magic effect anyone can do. Now click on the second layer, also split and delete the ending part of it. So now let's go back to the beginning of the video. So you know, there's always how I want my video to start. So from here, I'm going to tap on the second layer, which is my main body, that's the character. So this is how I want it to start. I will tap on the second layer, tap on split. Let me just choose maybe from here. From here, I will just tap on the layer, tap on split, then delete the beginning of the video, and then drag this one to fit in the beginning. So you have something like this. Understand? So when you stretch your hand out, this is where you are going to. From here, understand? You know, it's still showing green. It's normal. It's not showing through. So now you're gonna go back and look for remove BG. Tap on chroma key. So now hover this circle tool, that's your hand, so it will show green. When it shows green, increase the intensity to 30. Just that, leave it at 30 and you are good to go. Click on OK. Now you can play the video. You see your hand, you now have a hole in your hand. So that's just it, guys. I believe you enjoyed the video and you should be able to do this. So Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're a complete beginner and wish to learn about video editing, guys, chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. There I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about video editing. I'll teach you how to get green screen effects for free and how to use them. Please take note, if you're chatting me on WhatsApp, it's not free. I charge, though it's not much. You get my point? So now I'll split and delete the ending part of the first layer. Understand? So when you are done with that, you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point? Alright guys, so see you in our next video.